vegan snacks. This one is made with sweet potato and apple. They're calling it sweet potato and apple bites.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Real fruit and veggies baked into every bite. It's 4 ounces, costs a couple bucks, at Sprouts. Gluten-free, plant-based, and dairy-free. I couldn't help myself. They're just plain delicious. They're small by retrospect compared to some of the pre-packaged cookies of today. Okay, so the ingredients are organic sweet potato puree, gluten-free oat flour, gluten-free oats, organic Maine maple syrup, preferred if it was from Canada, but I'm not going to complain, organic coconut sugar, organic coconut oil, organic dried apples, organic, suing a fly, organic quinoa crisps, organic flaxseed, organic nutmeg, organic cinnamon, organic vanilla, baking soda, and Himalayan pink salt, obviously sea salt. The nutritional facts are: serving per container, there's 5. There wasn't many cookies in here. Serving is 2, so the amount per serving. Calories is 90, so it's 90 calories for 2 cookies. Total fat is 3 grams. Saturated fat is 2 grams, trans fat is 0, cholesterol is 0, fiber is 1 gram, total sugars is 7 grams. They say included 5 grams of added sugar. Protein is 1 gram. Let's see, it's got calcium 12 milligrams, iron 1 milligram, potassium 98 milligrams, and that's it. And it's over here, it says made with love by Mom's Organic Munchies. Freeport ME 04032. And the best part, it's vegan. Thanks for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.